Hey guys, Stephen here, and today I'm going to look into this whole YouTube official artist channel thing that I don't know if you might have heard of, but certain channels are now getting this official status, and I don't know about you, but I want that for my music channels too. So, for example, let's have a look at Ed Sheeran, because Ed Sheeran is going to be first in line with this kind of thing, isn't he? If we have a look at his channel, you can see that he's got this little tick just after his name, and you hover over it like so, and you've got the pop-up official artist channel. Now, I haven't got that on mine, and I want it. So let's look into how we get it. Spoilers, I haven't got mine yet. Okay, let's look at the YouTube creators page where we're given a lesson to learn more about the official artist channels. It's really hard to find any actual info on this, especially what you need to do to acquire a channel. You can see from requirements, but they don't actually tell you anything else after that. But I can go through this. So, to upgrade to an official artist channel, and then it just tells you what it is. Official art channels are a music forward channel layout that showcases your entire body of work. Blah blah blah. When a fan searches for your music, they can find it all in one place. So that makes sense because YouTube creates these topic pages. I don't know if you've seen them. If you look, I've got one here. Wired to Follow, because my band's called Wired to Follow. But for some reason, it creates these topic pages based on your band, and this is a way for them to kind of collect all of these pages into one under one name, into an official band page. So that's good. It's all in one place. But I didn't ask for these topic pages, so the new design lets you customize what fans see first, and subscribers from related channels, topic channel, partner provider channel will be automatically merged into your official artist channel. So like I said, giving you one streamlined place to interact with them rather than managing multiple channels and streams. To be eligible, your channel should be verified and meet the criteria listed below. So, verified. What does that mean? Okay, just a quick look into it, and it's a no-brainer really. You have to verify your account in YouTube, which I already did years ago. Basically, all that entails is going into your settings page and hitting the verify button. You'll have to confirm that you own an account with a text message that you have to reply to, and then you get access to using thumbnails and longer videos. Odds are you've already verified your account a long time ago. And meet the criteria listed below. Note, official artist channels are different from house channels, Vevo channels, etc. Right, so currently official artist channels are available to some channels. This is all quite vague, isn't it? I might seem a little irate about this because I've been down a lot of rabbit holes trying to pin down just what we have to do to get our artist channel, and it all just seems a little bit vague with language like some channels, and the verify mentioned before should kind of be a hyperlink to lead us on to find out more about what that entails. So okay, so this is what you need. So channels, number one, channels owned and operated by artists, managers, or your label. So an owned and operated channel is considered a channel managed by you or a team. So that basically means if you can access your channel and edit all of it, then that's okay. You own the channel. Okay, number two, you have released one album. So yes, I have released more than one album for my artist, and uploaded at least one music video to your channel. Probably quite a lot on mine actually. So yes, that's fine for me. That's 2 for 2. And number three, you have an auto-generated YouTube topic channel for your music. So yeah, like I said before, on here we've got this Wired to Follow topic channel. So cool. So this program will be rolled out to more artist-owned and operated channels throughout 2018. Check back on the YouTube artist channel site or with your partner manager to express interest. So we go to this page it's telling us to go to express interest, and there's nothing there to kind of express the interest or find anything else there. They have this page on there as part of the blog, a new official artist channel on YouTube, and it's talking about how it's kind of forming all the channels into one. Great. And I highlighted this because it's got a spelling mistake on there, and it just, as I said, it just feels a bit kind of rushed at the moment. So maybe that's it. As they said before, maybe it's going to be rolled out. I just really want to see it, because this is the same time that YouTube Music has been released, which I'm using at the moment actually, and I'm at some point going to do a video about that, because I've got the 3 months free offer that they're using at the moment. And the issue I have with it is that none of my music is on it. Well, I lie. One EP is on there, and we've released with Wired to Follow quite a few, and one EP is on there. So I want to find out what's going on there, and is it anything to do with the fact that I haven't got an official channel, something like that? I'm just not sure how this is all working, and how all this, if it does connect, because I would like to get access to an official channel. So on the artist channel, we'll have a featured video. You can choose what video you want to show at the top of your official artist channel, even if it's not a video that you uploaded. Choose different videos with new visitors and returning subscribers. So while we're looking through these are things that you get on your official artist channel. We'll have a look at Ed Sheeran's, good old Ed. I can't drag that over for some reason. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, so featured video. So we can look at this. So this here will be a featured video. It just looks the same as normal, really. Doesn't look like he's done anything different there. I can't see anything different. What was the example someone else gave before? Maybe that's a better example. Oh yeah, this person. Check out. I can't pronounce the name. Kalani. Don't play music. Nope. Same again. This is look at that. The same layout as Ed's here. So you can put anything you want in that place. That looks of it. Artist curated content. This is the top section of your channel. It shows a playlist which you can curate with any of your videos that are on YouTube. So is that this? New music. What's Edge got? Ed has also got, well, play all. Okay. Doesn't look any different. Channel layout. If your channel is not in the customized channel layout, which most of us are, it will be migrated to this layout when upgraded to official artist channel. Official music. This is an auto-generated section that aggregates your music content from across all your YouTube channels. These videos are organized by upload date, popularity, and type. Albums. This is an auto-generated playlist that organizes your albums in reverse order. Customizable sections. Below the auto-generated official albums and album sections, you have the option to add 2 shelves of playlists you've created. I don't really see what is different than what we are doing now, apart from the fact it's collating all of these auto-generated albums and tracks into one place and giving you this tick. I mean, that's cool because if a listener or a fan comes to your channel, they'll know it's an official artist channel. But like I was saying before, is there any correlation with this and YouTube Music? I need to look into that, and hopefully you guys, if you can let me know, because this is something we kind of need to know. But I don't know if this is going to make me change the way I use YouTube. Like, personally, no. But with my Wired to Follow account, I gotta admit, I'm not using that to its full potential. I definitely need to. At the moment, I've just been putting art tracks up. So this, at the moment, makes me think, well, if they're automatically going to be putting tracks up there, then I can concentrate maybe on doing band vlogs, things like that. That makes more sense to me. We will be expanding the rollout of the new official artist channel to artists on the platform over the coming weeks. So this is interesting because it said before during 2018, so over the coming weeks seems a little bit more optimistic. Artists looking for more information on their official artist channels can read more on the help center. Yeah, we've been there. Fans looking for more information on how to manage this channel subscriptions and blah, blah, blah. That's it really. So I know someone was asking me the other day, how do we access our official artist page? and I think it's the same with me really. I'm getting mixed up with this and YouTube Music. Maybe they're completely different things, but if they're rolling it out in the coming weeks, then hopefully we sort of see some changes come in, and I'll be able to update you then. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you found any of that helpful or even more confusing, let me know. And if you know any more information than me, let me know. Let's help each other. See you later, guys. Bye.